Oh my Macau, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh my Macau, I really wanna see you, Macau. Can you show me Macau? Oh my Macau, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh my Macau. Oh my Macau, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh my Macau. Oh my Macau.
Macau, Calçada das Verdades. The sidewalk. Calçada is like sidewalk, but it's also, it could be translated in lots of different ways. But Verdades is the truth. So the stairwell to the truth could be. So this is a little slice of Macau, and we're going to be walking all the way up towards the fortress, Montfort. And so kind of a cool street. Start in the busy streets down below and go all the way up, as you can see in the preview. And we got some music. I'll put the music in there. You got the map. You got all kinds of stuff right here. And we're going to get right into the walk and talk so you can see exactly what it's like as if you were there yourself. Calçada das Verdades, Macau. Okay, I guess we're going to get across right now then. So there's Calçada das Verdades. Just kind of go like that. So this is going to be our target street right there. Calçada das Verdades. Yeah, actually that's really nice. Nice for the video camera. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up a little bit, try to capture this from this angle. Man, that looks so cool. Then you have this really beautiful green and white building right here. Those beautiful balconies. I would love to live like in a balcony right there. That'd be amazing. Actually, that one looks cool too, because they have all these beautiful corner windows where you would, I don't know how much those, I wonder how much they would charge you for that. Beautiful though, wow. Okay, so we're gonna, now we have this is actually a hotel right here. So you can actually stay in this little thing with all these windows as well. Parking garage right here. And then this is these kind of colorful buildings right here. And I don't know the whole story about these, but they also have the Verdades name as well. So I'm just gonna pinpoint that real quick. So this is our street that we're on. And then these ones also have the Verdades as well. And this is that hotel with those certain rooms that are just hanging over like that. Okay, so let's go further up. Okay. So we're on Calçada das Verdades. We have more of these types of housing as well. And we could actually walk in and out, but it's going to be kind of similar. Even nice little apartments like that. And that's the hotel right there. Townswell Motel and Restaurant it's called. Let's keep on going up. So if we would have went all the way down and around, we would have came through this little Beco das Verdades, which also has courtyards as well. So the same name, but it's Beco. Okay. Let's keep on going up. Calçada das Verdades. Yeah, and then there's more of these as well. And now we're in a little patio. Filomena. And then I think Verdades, I think it'll end up here in a moment. It's a tattoo shop right there. It's right there, Calçada das Verdades. So we'll still keep going up. These are kind of interesting too. And then this one is named after a Spain naval, Sancho Panza. Filomena. So let's keep on going up. We're gonna walk right into a really nice temple, which is right here. Nice sunny day too. There we go. A little bit of history there too. There's some 1887, 1931, so whatever that one is. And then here we have a shrine. I'm gonna just walk in a little bit. Let me see. Let's go around this way. Here we go. So we're gonna walk in this way. You see how beautiful this is. Peaceful. Okay. And then that's Sancho Pancha's Street. I think I maybe said that wrong. There's also the Don Quixote. So that's both of those are a reference to the Spain. We just walked in, just kind of noticed that soccer ball. It's kind of cool. Okay. It's pretty sunny, so I'm just gonna walk out a little bit. And I think that this actually turns into a different street now. So Calçada das Verdades, I believe would have ended by the Red Temple that we went through. Oh no, still continues. So there's still Calçada das Verdades. So we're still on the same street. Didn't realize it kept going up. Oh, it's interesting to look up to. There's like a big dome up at the top of that apartment. Okay. So I guess Calçada das Verdades continues. So we'll continue with it. We'll walk up it a little bit as well. This is Rua do Sol. This is a really nice street. I haven't filmed it in a while, but I should. It looks really beautiful like that. So actually if you're up there, you have these really nice views. It has a nice feel to it. Yeah, actually that's funny. I mean, it's interesting. You got this beautiful temple, you have that interesting building, and then you kind of have these really interesting apartments everywhere, right? And that looks kind of cool too, even the corners. Yeah, I wonder what the rent would cost up here. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. I think the rent is actually a really good price, good value. So we're gonna go a little further, and I think the street's gonna end up here. It does still say Calçada das Verdades right there. Then we have a patio das Verdades as well. Huh. Just this little patio. Okay. So let's meander down this way a little bit. Keep going up. So we're gonna. So I'm going to come up like this. Now we got a nice view of this. And then this one actually goes up a little bit further, and it looks like it keeps going up there too. So we're gonna go up here, and I think it goes all the way up those steps as well. Yeah, this is a long street. And we're still walking, so we're still on Calçada das Verdades. And then if we keep walking, we're going to be up to a temple. It's pretty cool. Kind of sunny right in this space. Then you have all these nice trees as well. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So yeah, that looks really nice. And we just have a little bit further to go, and then we're up at the top. So yeah, Calçada das Verdades. I don't know if I've walked all the way through the whole thing, but we did today. Then way up there at the top is let's kind of walk up this way a little bit. So we walked all the way up this way. Calçada das Verdades. Then you have this beautiful tree right here. One of the times I was here, there was a couple shrines in here, and there's a woman that would tend to the shrines, but I don't see the shrines anymore. Okay, so up at the top is canyons and all kinds of cool stuff. So, okay, so this is actually used to overlook the city, and then we came from down this way. So you can kind of see through there a little bit, down that path, all the way that way. Nice views. Okay. I'm gonna have to think of what I'm gonna film next. Okay, there we go. So we'll end right there.
Makes me smile.